Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be talking about my experience with using Bass Pro Shops rod and reel repair. I also want to start out by saying that I am not affiliated, I'm just sharing my personal experience with using them. That way other people can make educated decisions on whether or not they want to. So starting off, the first thing I was a little bit concerned about was the only information I could find was on their website, and it just said, basically, here's a form, here's how much it should cost, roughly, and you just fill out the form and mail it to them at one location, and they will ship you back your reel once it's repaired and tell you how much it cost. Here's a quick video of what the reel was sounding like before I had it repaired. Maybe it doesn't sound that weird to you, but I noticed a significant, almost like just, it sounded like there was friction that there shouldn't be. It didn't sound as smooth as it did for the past 2 years that I have been using it. And with it being one of my nicest reels, I really just wanted to get it fixed. So I sent it away, and I had talked to some people, and they suggested that it was a bearing. I heard from several people that I talked to that they thought it might be a bearing after hearing it. But when I filled out the form, I didn't want to point Bass Pro Shops Rod and Reel Repair in the wrong direction and them just fix the bearing if that wasn't the problem. So instead, I just described the sound and left it for their interpretation of what the problem was. One big thing I want to say is that if you are in a hurry to get yours back, you may want to call ahead and ask how long you should expect to wait for your reel to be repaired. When I sent it, like I said, very little information. There's literally just a form, you send it to them, and then you wait. Well, about a week and a half passed, and I was like, okay, they probably should have maybe looked at it by now. So I decided to call, and it was sounding like it was probably going to be another month before it would be repaired, which is fine. I was not in a hurry to get it back, but I had no idea what to expect, and if you were expecting it to be done in a week or two, that may not be the case. So you probably want to call ahead. But anyway, after a month and a half, I would say, I got a phone call, and it was my reel had been repaired. So the guy, he broke down. It actually turns out it was a gear that was the problem. And he told me Shimano is very proud of their parts. And so it was going to be a little more expensive, but the price that he told me, I was fine with. They have a set labor charge, and then the additional price is with the parts that they use and then just shipping to get it back to you. So told me over the phone what the price was going to be. I said that price is fine. And then he said, all right, I'm going to get it fixed up today and get it sent back to you. So after about a month and a half, I received it back in the mail, and here's me going through it. Now, the only sound that you can hear in that video is the slight sound of the tape coming off of the reel that I taped the line down so that it wouldn't come off the spool when I was reeling it. It came back, and it sounds exactly how I remember it sounding. They fixed it, and they even sent me back the broken gear in case I don't know if I wanted to examine it for some reason. I would say, overall, I'm very happy with my experience with using Outdoor World Rod and Reel Repair. Was it quick? No, but I'm sure they get sent a lot of reels, and it's only one location. Even though there's many, many Bass Pro Shops, there's only one Bass Pro Shops Rod and Reel Repair, and that is in Missouri. So, considering how many reels they probably get, I understand. So, other than how quickly it was done, they were very pleasant to work with, very nice to me over the phone, and it was done exactly how I would want it done. It is functioning properly again, and when there was no real options locally, I'm just glad that that option existed. And I guess that will about wrap it up. Thank you for watching this video. Please tune into the next one. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will catch you in the next one.